So this is the witch's finger, so called because it looks like little fingers reaching out of the ground, and it's a fungus, and it starts out like this. It actually starts out as a white ball underground that we actually find when we're digging, and then it kind of pops open and you can see like the 4 fingers. Then it gets like this, and then it gets even bigger and looks like that, and apparently it smells really gross. There's kind of like a brown slimy thing part underneath, and that, not sure what the smell is. I'm not sure if flies, might help spread the spores, but there's probably a reason for it. There's always a reason for almost everything in nature.